Hi, everyone. If you have been seeing all those bad examples of AI or large language model use in research lately, you're not alone. And honestly, we need to fix that. At the upcoming R&D Management Conference 2026, we are running a hands-on workshop on how to actually use AI in R&D and innovation research properly. This is not a talk. You will see concrete ways of doing things, and you will get the chance to try them yourselves in a structured way. We will test what works, what doesn't, and where things could go seriously wrong. We will cover how to move from a 10 paper analysis to 100 papers, how to critically assess AI outputs, and how to avoid the traps we increasingly see in published work. We have also reviewed around 100 papers in the field that use LLMs, so you'll get a clear view of emerging best practices. The goal is simple, not more AI hype, but better research. No advanced coding needed. Just bring your laptop and curiosity. If you care about doing rigorous, responsible work with AI, I think you will find this useful. Join us in Manchester.